We don't see a lot of bus wrecks in the state of Mississippi. They do happen, but we just don't see it a lot. We have a public transportation system, but compare this to Los Angeles, California, that has no telling how many buses at all times. You could go out on the road and if you look one direction, you're going to see a bus. It's just not that way in Mississippi. However, if there is an accident like that involves a public transportation bus or a school bus, which I've actually handled a case with a school bus before, it would be handled much like any other car wreck case. There's going to be an insurance company that provides coverage for liability for that bus company. We would handle the case exactly the same way, and we've got experience to do that. If a bus company causes an accident, you certainly can go after them after the accident. They have insurance. They have to, being a public transportation company, and we can seek that and handle the case much like any other negligence automobile accident case. If you've been in an accident that involves a bus, whether you were hit by the bus or there was an accident that while you were riding in the bus and it caused injury, you should definitely contact an attorney and talk to them about the case. If you can fill out the form on our website and tell us what happened, we will call you back and we will give you the best advice possible. We'd love to talk to you. A bus wreck can be just like a car wreck. It can be extremely catastrophic. Maybe it burned up, maybe people were killed. It's terrible, it can happen, and it does happen. Or it can be as minor as a bus runs into another car and it causes some neck issues with a few people. So the variance in the type of injuries you see with these things can be infinite. My goal for our client, if they're injured in a bus accident, is to maximize the recovery. We understand that money's important for survival and that you can't get an injured body part back with money, but we also understand that if someone's injured because of a case like this, they're going to have emotional issues, anxiety, depression, maybe they can't work, their family's affected, and we can help with all of those issues. The type of damages that you can seek are the same as the type of damages in any other negligence case in the state of Mississippi, which includes medical bills past and future. It includes damages for lost work, lost wages. It includes damages for any medical equipment you might need. It includes what we call hedonic damages, which is loss of enjoyment of life or pain and suffering. All of those things can be assigned a dollar value, but unfortunately, money's the only thing that you can get in those situations. At Runlet Law Firm, we've been dealing with personal injury claims, car accidents, bus accidents for over 20 years. We have the experience and knowledge and team in place to handle these cases properly. Clients who take that step and give us a call and really feel the empathy that our team has for our clients, I believe that that's the reason that they are attracted to what we do, because we try to do things differently than everybody else. You're not just a number to us, you're like family, and we're going to treat you like that if you're our client. Client communication is the most important aspect that needs to be had between an attorney and a client. Really in life, communication. Within our team, we always emphasize we've got to over-communicate to each other what's going on, and we do. And we also try to make that spill over to communications with our clients. We strive to always get back with people. We say 12 hours. Within 12 hours is our absolute goal. And we hope, and most of the time it's quicker than that. But there's got to be a response. If somebody has a question or concern, there's no question or concern that we would ever say we're just going to ignore you or we're not going to worry about that. We will always respond. If someone's hurt in the state of Mississippi, or if they have a legal issue that we might be able to help them with, it's always probably nerve-wracking for them to call the attorney the first time. We get that. So what we have is just a free strategy session where we can hear your story and what happened in your situation so that we can provide you with some guidance. Whether we take your case or we don't, we'll provide you with guidance. So it's really a low-stress call. First, you'll call in and you'll speak to our receptionist, and she will listen to a little bit about what's going on, and then after that she'll transfer you to the appropriate attorney to really get into the nuts and bolts of what's going on so we can help you best.